Happy morning, I am Avinashi from grade 10. Today I am going to talk about hemodialysis. First, let's see what is dialysis. Dialysis is a treatment that filters and purifies the blood using a machine. This helps keep your fluids and electrolytes in balance when the kidneys can't do their job. Dialysis has been used since 1940s to treat people with kidney problems. Next, let's see why dialysis is done. When your kidneys fail, dialysis keeps your body in balance by removing waste, salt, and extra water to prevent them from building up in the body, keeping safe level of certain chemicals in your blood such as potassium, sodium, and bicarbonate. Next, let's see side effects of dialysis: low blood pressure, sepsis, muscle cramps, itchy skin. Side effects of peritoneal dialysis: peritonitis, hernia, weight gains. Next, let's see reason for dialysis. When your kidneys fail, dialysis keeps your body in balance by removing salt, waste, and extra water to prevent them from building up in the body, keeping safe level of certain chemicals in your blood. This helps to control blood pressure. Next, let's see causes of dialysis: abnormal brain function, uremic encephalopathy. Certain other severe symptoms such as loss of appetite or vomiting and weight loss. Inflammation of the sac around the heart, pericarditis. A high level of acid in the blood, acidosis that does not decrease despite other treatments. Now let's see my working model of hemodialysis. Hemodialysis working model. A pump in the hemodialysis machine slowly draws out a blood through the first needle from our body and sends it to the second machine called dialysis. This works like a kidney and filters out the fluid, waste and salt from the blood and sends the fresh blood to our body through second needle through artery.